Face your paper cup down and then draw 2 circles with a sketch pen towards the higher end. If you have googly eyes with you, then you can stick that as well. Otherwise, just drawing is fine. Next, cut a thin strip of paper. Then, cut them into half. And stick them for the whiskers of the cat like this. For the nose, draw a triangle on a brown or black sheet of paper and cut it out. Stick the triangle at the center of the whiskers for the nose. After that, let's draw the mouth. Fold a colored paper into half. Draw a long triangle and cut it out. You will get 2. Then glue them to the back of the cup for the ears. Now the shape of the cup is ready. All that's left to do is color it. Take any color and start coloring the cup. Make sure to fill in all the spaces and color the mouth separately. Here I am using yellow and pink. And there it is, children. Your paper cup cat head is finished and ready.